Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Buick Regal shift knob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to carefully unclip trim pieces. A pair of snips or wire cutters will be necessary for removing any existing fasteners. Of course, have your new shift knob ready, along with a fresh zip tie for reassembly. Now let's remove the old shift knob. Begin by placing your vehicle in neutral for easier access. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to unclip the shift boot trim from the console. Once loose, slide the entire shift boot upwards to reveal the base of the knob. You will likely find a zip tie or retaining clip. Cut this with your snips. Finally, firmly pull the old shift knob straight up to detach it. It might require significant force. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new shift knob with the shifter shaft. Push the new knob down firmly and evenly until it clicks or seats securely into place. Test the knob's button or shifting mechanism to ensure it operates smoothly. Next, slide the shift boot back down over the base of the shifter. Use a new zip tie to secure the boot tightly around the groove, preventing it from slipping. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Gently tug on the new knob to ensure it is fully seated and stable, with no wobbling. Shift through all gear selections to confirm smooth operation and proper engagement. Reclip the shift boot trim firmly back into the console, making sure all edges are flush. If you encountered resistance during installation, a tiny amount of dielectric grease on the shifter shaft can sometimes help. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.